students, once again I am welcome you to 9th standard maths class. So from few days we are in polynomial chapter, and last class also I completed up to 5th bit. Let me to revise what we taught in last class. So this lesson is full of, this exercise is full of identities. In the last class we used the identity x plus y plus z whole square. So what is the formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yx plus 2zx. So 2 bit we solved there. In first bit we come LHS to RHS, we solved LHS to RHS. So in 5th bit we solved from RHS to LHS. So my dear students, I told you before only, you need to be handled in both sides, LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS. So that is called converse. Now I came to 6th bit. Here write the following cubes in expanded form. So I took two different type of cubic expansion. So one is a minus b whole cube and another one is a plus b whole cube. So we know already a formula. What is the formula? First one. So we know for first one answer. We know that a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube. What it is? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. So first you write this formula, afterwards you go for expansion of this. No sir, we are perfect in writing directly on that, means you can welcome, but it's a safe method. So this leads to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So why I am telling means, here some students are confusing to write directly minus and plus. So if you went from here to here, then you are in safe. Okay, no problem. It's all depend upon your grip. What is next? What is a here? 2a. What is b here? 3b. Take the values. A is equal to 2a. What is b? 3. After taking some values, you substitute in the formula. A cube, 2a whole cube minus b cube, 3b whole cube minus 3 as it is, a square, this is a, 2a square, b, 3b plus, once again, now 3ab square, so 3 as it is, a means 2a and b means 3b whole square. So what I did? I took formula exact and I wrote formula. Afterwards I go for the values of the unknowns. A is 2a and b is 3b. Next we substituted in the given formula. This is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3ab square. So after substituting the values, open nicely. So it's very simple. 2 cube. So maximum students are doing in hurry. 2 cube means 2 3 is 6. It's not. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 8a cube. Minus, as usual, 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 27 b cube. Now minus as it is, 2 2 is 4, 4a square, go slowly, 4a square and 3b. If you are perfect to handle in one step only, so you can, otherwise slowly. Next 3 2 is 6a, 3 square 9, b square. So finally open last line, 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now plus into minus, minus 3 4 is 12, 12 3 is 36, A square B. This side 6 9 ja 54. 6 9 ja 54. AB square. So this is our final answer. So my dear students, we need to know minimum 20 tables because maths is finishing definitely with 4 fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So if you are strong in tables, then we can use when we need it. So this is what method of solving 2a minus 3b cubic expansion by using cubic form. Just you go through 1 minute, afterwards I will go for another one. So see, observe correctly, and presentation is very important, neat. Right. Now second. Okay. So once again, second, it is a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. Here I will write directly the expansion form. A cube, b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Because of plus you can write directly, no problem. Right. What is next? As usual, find the values of ab. A is equal to 3 by 2x, b is equal to 1. So what is next step? A value and b value. Next, substitute in the formula. A cube 3 by 2x whole cube, b cube 1 cube, 3, a square, this is 3 by 2x whole square, b 1. Now 3ab square, 3 by 2x and b square. So I substituted the respective values in the formula. Just open the bracket. 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, x cube. 1 cube is 1. First open the bracket. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, x square 1 into that same, plus 3 3 ja 9 by 2x and 1 square is 1 into same. It's fine. 27 by 8x cube plus 1 as it is. 3 9 ja 27, 4 x square by 9 by 2 x. So this is the final answer, means expansion of the given cubic form, that is 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. First write formula, afterwards values, substitution of the values in the formula and small simplification, and next is our answer. So now I am moving to 7th bit. Okay, what is 7th bit? Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Evaluate. the cubes using suitable identity. Evaluate the following. Yes. Just you write, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following by using suitable identity. Using suitable identity. Okay. So here I am going to take one sum and remaining are all same, because if I took one sum and if you understood the concept, then we can do another two sum also. Very simple, already we did in online class and we gave notes also. Once again we are going for revision. Yes, 1 or 2 cube. So we can't do this simplified method, so 1 or 2 into 1 or 2 into 1 or 2, because using suitable identity means we need to bring in identity form. We need to bring in identity form. Afterwards only we can solve this. How? As usual, this can write 100 plus 2 whole cube. See, 102 means 100 plus 2 whole cube. Yes, it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can use this or simple direct method. Instead of this you can go with direct only. So both formula you can apply here, no problem. 3ab of a plus b. This also easy for you. Okay, which one? Your choice. What is A? A is equal to 100. What is B? B is equal to 2. Substitute in the form A cube, 100 cube, 2 cube, 3 of 100 into B, right? Next, 100 plus 2. Right? So just I substituted A and B value. Open the bracket. Here 100 into 100 into 100. So no need to do big multiplication. Just I will give one method. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. What is exponent? 3. 2 3s are 6. Write that much of zeros. 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 8. 3 into 100, 300 plus into 2, 600 into 102. Because 100 plus 2 is 102. Do it one more time. This we can add. So 0 plus 8, only last digit is changing, remaining all are same. This time. So 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Just write it. So this is the way how we can do in vision only. So no need of using rough work, and this will be perfect in writing vision method. See what I did? I add 1000 plus this plus 8, and this is the sum one side, and 600 into 102. So that is on 102. Now we have to add both. Sec unit. What is the unit? 8. Next 10th place 0. Third place 2. Fourth place 1. Fifth place 6. And seventh place 0. And last place 1. So this is how without any rough work, without any strain or without any waste of time, we can add the things by vision, by oral method. So go with digit by digit and things are coming correctly. So this is the answer of 102 whole cube. This is the product of 102 whole cube. Here we not use the direct multiplication method, just we used suitable identity to find the product. So just go through 1 minute. So this concept can use for number of that type of sums we can solve easily. Yes, now 8th bit. What is that 8th bit question? Factorize each of the following. 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 Okay. So here also some questions are there. In 4th and 5th bit, what we did? We use once LHS to RHS. In 5th bit, RHS to LHS. Here also in 6th bit, we went LHS to RHS. Now in 8th bit, RHS to LHS. So same formula, reverse order. Okay. Let me just see how we are going to solve by using converse, means RHS to LHS. Right. Now I will take one sum here. First one. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So we need to factorize this. So one more shall I write now only? We can fill very easily now here. 5th one. So I am going to take a little bit hard one here. Okay. Here I selected two sums of different kind. But already we completed this through online and we already practiced it also through notes. Okay. When we saw cubic, we already know what is the formula. The formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a minus b whole cube. Right? We know because of cubic formula we can tell this formula from RHS to LHS. This is. What is next step? We need to convert this question in the formula type. Then only we can apply formula, otherwise no. Right? How? You see. 8 observe, it is a perfect cube. Definitely it is a perfect cube. B cube, definitely it is a perfect cube. Convert in the cubic form. 2a cube minus b cube. So no need of worry this area. I will show how to write it easily. First you go to values of a. So a is equal to 2a, b is equal to b. So I got a value and b value. Now you fill up this gap. Okay. 3. A square means 2a square. B plus 3. A means 2a and b means b square. So definitely if you go back to the question, definitely it will balance in the question. Definitely. See, 3 2 this becomes 4, 3 4 12, 12a square b, 3 2 6, 6a square b. So automatically. So this is the way how we can solve easily without any confusions. Right. What is next? We already know what is the answer. A minus b whole cube. So what is A? 2a b whole cube. So this is our answer. But the question is factorize. So because of factorize, we need to write in factors. Or overall. Write 3 times. 2a minus b, 2a minus b and 2a minus b. So this is the 3 factors of the given expansion. Before classes I told because of degree 3 definitely 3 factors will come in. If degree is 2, 2 factors. If degree is 1, 1 factor. So here degree is 3, that's why we got 3 factors. So just you observe, very easily we can solve question by using this idea. Converting of question to formula type. So if you did this line successfully, then definitely the whole sum will come coming correct. Right? Means it is in your country full. Next. After this I am coming to this. Because of fraction numbers students are feeling little bit uncomfortable or telling hard. So just I will see how we will do that. Okay? Very easy. So let me do up this question. Next. 5th part. So once again you judge it. It is square because of another cube is without variable. Means it is constant. Okay? It is not square. It is cubic. Yes, it is cubic. Right? Yes. So we need to check question before going to start answer. Okay? So otherwise our question will be coming wrong. Okay, this is the question. Once again, cube, so many minus sign. So I am judging myself. Yes, it is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Right? What is the formula of this? Definitely a minus b whole cube. What is next? We need to convert the question in the formula type. Yes. You check it whether it is a perfect cube. Yes, it is a perfect cube. Yes. 27 is a cube. 3. And 216. 216 means 1 by 216 is a perfect cube. 1 by 6. Okay. Convert in the cubic form. 3p whole cube minus 1 by 6 whole cube minus, no need of these two things. Automatically I will show how they will balancing question. What is next? You take the value of a. Here a is what? 3p. What is b? 1 by 6. b is equal to 1 by 6. After getting value of a and b, you fill up this gap. So automatically they will balancing each other. See, 3 as it is. A square, 3p whole square, b 1 by 6 plus 3a square b, 3a, 3p and b square 1 by 6 whole square. This is as usual our formula a minus b whole cube. Now you observe. This go back means automatically it will balancing question. Definitely it will balancing. So maximum students are facing problem here only. How to convert this question in formula. So this is the easy method we can solve that area. Right. What is next? Substitute the a and b value in the formula. That is answer. A minus b whole cube. 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. But we can write this in factors. This is also answer. Write in expand form. Or 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6. So in this way we can solve number of sums this time. So what is the concept? We need to convert the given question into formula type, find the values of a and b, afterwards balancing these two places. Next is our answer, value of a and b whole cube. So in this way we can solve a number of sums. Right. Next we are moving to ninth sum. Ninth bit. What is ninth question? Ninth. Verify. First one. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So in that second is also there one more. Second one. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Right. So, what is the question? Verify. Verify means check, justify, check, justify. Verify means we need to show LHS is equal to RHS. When time comes to show LHS is equal to RHS, you can go with LHS and bring RHS, or go with RHS and come back to LHS. Your choice. So my choice is RHS. Let RHS is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. I will do simple multiplication. Here simple multiplication. X into this. X into this full part. X square minus xy. I will show by trinomial by binomial multiplication. Right? Next, second, plus into y. Or next full. X square minus xy plus y square. Right? Do simple multiplication. This is x cube minus as it is x into x, x square y plus y square x or xy square. Next this side, x square y plus into minus, minus x into y square plus y cube. Here we are seeing same number with opposite sign. Just cancel them. This cancel with this and this with this. What left? What left? So that is our RHS, the LHS. So what I did here? I took RHS and I brought LHS. This is equal to LHS. So I took RHS and I brought LHS, means they are equal. So that's why, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Finish. Same way you can do that also. we can get it easily. So here also we can use same property. Just you take x into something, the whole part I will show. Right? Next, minus y into this. Okay? Now open the bracket. So what I did here, I multiplied by x cube, x square y and xy square. That's all. Minus x square y, minus xy square, minus y cube. Right? See, same things with opposite sign. They will cancel. What left? X cube minus y cube. So what it is? Once again it is LHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So when time comes to verify, definitely they will give two part, LHS and RHS. You take RHS and from that RHS you bring LHS, or you go with LHS to RHS. But anyhow we need to show them LHS is equal to RHS. So that's telling us, yes, we verified. We verified. So in this way we can solve 9th bit. Now I am going to 10th bit. Tenth bit. Factorize. Factorize. First one, 27y cube plus 125 z cube. He gave here later, see question 9. So he is taking help, he will telling to him, see question 9 means just okay, see question 9. So what is question 9? So we are going to get answer, means let me to write one more time, right? Okay. So how are you going to find the factors of this given cubic form? Now don't tell it is a formula of a plus b whole cube, because it is not a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus b cube. So just only we came from 9th question. What is a cube plus b cube? I want to write once again. We know that x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Yes. So he is telling her to factorize this. You can see the question number 9. Means indirectly it is a formula of a cube plus b cube. Indirectly it is a formula of a cube plus b cube. What is that a cube b cube formula? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Or you tell in a terms or in xy terms. Okay, no problem. What is next? We need to convert this question to cubic form. Yes, it is a perfect cube. 27 is the cube root of 3 and 125 is the cube of 5. Let's take that. 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. Okay, 5z whole cube. So once you got this, take the values of this one. Okay, what is x? X is equal to 3y. What is y? y is equal to 5z. X is equal to 3y, y is equal to 5z. Next, substitute in the given things. Now, x plus y, 3y plus 5z. 3y plus 5z. Next, that side, x square, 3y square minus xy, 3y, 5z, right? Plus y square, that is 5z whole square. Okay. So after this, just we need to open the bracket. 3y plus 5z into 3y square, 9y square minus 5 3 is 15, 15yz plus 5z whole square means 25, 5 5 is 25, 25z square. So this is our answer. So these are the two factors of this cubic formula. Just you factorize this. So this is the way we can factorize. So what is the important things we need here? So convert this into formula, and afterwards question to formula type. Find the values of xy. Okay, find the values of xy. Next, substitution in given formula. So this is about how we are going to factorize by using hint of question number 9, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, my dear student, among 16 bits we completed 10 bits up to now. Tomorrow we are going to continue these remaining bits by using different concepts of cubic formula. So before going to finish the class, I want to tell you, so this is full of identities work. So you go with perfect in identities and judge yourself which identities it is suited for the given question to solve, and by practice you can make it. Just use the hint area where I told how to make the particular sum easy, right? So thank you one all. Have a nice day. We will meet next class.